This Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD boasts a turbocharged diesel V8 6.6L/403 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, DURAMAX 6.6 liters turbo diesel V8, B20 diesel compatible, 397 horsepower, 296.0 kilowatts, at 3,000 revolutions per minute, 765 pounds-to-foot of torque, 1,032.8 Nm, at 1,600 revolutions per minute. Airbags, single-stage frontal and thorax side impact, driver and front passenger, and head curtain side impact, front and rear outboard seating positions, XM satellite radio, delete. This Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD features the following options: windows, power with driver express up and express down on all other windows, wheels, 18, 45.7 cm, painted steel includes 18x8, 45.7 cm by 20.3 cm, steel spare wheel. Spare not included with ZW9, pickup box delete unless a spare tire is ordered. Requires single rear wheels, QGM, LT265/70R18E all-terrain, black wall tires or QWF, LT265/70R18E all-season, black wall tires. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking. Requires L96, Vortex 6.0 liters V8 SFI engine. Transfer case, with floor-mounted shifter, included with 4WD models only. Trailering equipment, trailering hitch platform 2.5 with a 2.0 insert for HD, 7-wire harness with independent fuse trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector to hook up parking lamps, backup lamps, right and left turn signals, an electric brake lead, battery and a ground. The trailer connector also includes the 4-way for use on trailers without brakes. Park, brake/turn lamps, will be deleted if ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Trailer brake controller, integrated, if ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. JL1, trailer brake controller is deleted and available to order as a free flow option. Tires, LT265/70R18E all season. Black wall, requires single rear wheels, tire carrier lock, keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, not included when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Tailgate, locking, utilizes same key as ignition and door, deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete, tailgate and bed rail protection caps, top. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B93L3 to claim your Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD.